Hi there, it's me Rain, and I just wanted to make a quick video about avatars. So, if you can see this footage right now, you can see that I've got a chibi avatar, very large head, the arms stick outward. I do not want them to stick outward. This is my arms at my sides, and let me clear things up a little bit. This is how the avatar looks when it is used in virtual reality and when your hands are at your sides. So why is that? If we quickly go into Unity, we'll see that this is the avatar that I have, and that is where I have my view position at. It is in the center of the eyes. It is, slightly in front of the face. Which is what you'd be told to do if you were making any avatar, really, but that's not what you should be doing when your head is this large, right? So what happens is when you enter a virtual reality headset, what VRChat does is it figures out where your head is in real life and where your hands are in real life, and it puts your head where this little view position is. It puts your head right there, and where it puts your hands is a guess at where your body would be had your head been there. So if you imagine this is a real person, let me just put a picture over it like that. You can see that the head is a lot smaller, the eyes would be a bit lower down, and it wouldn't quite work out. So how VRChat compensates for that is not to assume that you have a chibi avatar, but to assume you have a normal avatar, and it will raise your arms forward because this is too far forward for a normal human head. This view position is way too far forward, so it'll move your arms forward because it will think that your arms are meant to be here when they're in fact back here. And also it will move your arms up, so you have your forward and you have your up. So that's why the arms are sticking out. So how to fix that? Easy. You pretend there's an imaginary normal sized human head and you move everything back inside your model. You're told not to do this, but put your view position inside your model and pretend that it's got a normal sized head, and that's how you fix it. Your arms will be normal. So it'd be something like this would be a bit lower down, so I don't know, 0.58. The Z would be something like 0.07, something like that. And this should put your arms back roughly where they're meant to be, so like at your sides when your hands are at your sides in real life. I hope you understand that. So what we're doing is we're going from this to this and from this to this, and everything is going to be lined up. This is an example of how it looks once I fixed it. And how it looks with a person that's not in the Oculus Quest doing it too, which might be a bit more easy to look at for your eyes.